Kubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka Victorium ka dukan kitiar kilan met ka babhatam hakador ka babit Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong
Uba lakmen rumbui ubalong menteri jong ketenat ki kampo yeng ke sarkar jila ula penpau ya ke jing sngau diau ka bakrau halor ka jing nang yai kiu ki kam runa ruser ha ke jila kat banang mi ki sngi bat kham tam ha ka bayadai bat ka jing sha thombor bat sha lebor jong ki kenthei bat ki khna ha baya kren bat ki lat pathai khubor uba lakmen ula khot bat wer yi ki pat ba nong song snong jong ke jila bakin yetre lang bat banyatli lang kawe Kenang bandup la banyak kun persya ye kini ki kam sneu ki babu ye ki imlang ka saalang ha ka jing sir mensim bat ka bawan raru ye ka nam ka basneu ye ka jinglong jingman jong ka jela Meghalaya barok ka way.
Everybody is the same. The culprit is the culprit. The murderer is murderer. So the law is equal. I myself I have already issued a stringent action, a strict action that we should take immediate action in any type of crime which happened in the part of the state. But I'm very sad to say that nowadays I have seen the people, the crime everywhere. It seems that it is increasing. Be the crimes against women, be the crimes against anybody, it is increasing. This is a very disturbing trend. In fact, we don't know. I mean, it is quite unfortunate. And if you see also, even the rape case, also it is the audacity of the people who did it. It is, I feel very disturbed. And moreover, you have, if you'll see that maybe the distant people, the people from other, but now even the people from the same family also have the audacity to commit this type of crime. It is totally, I feel, I cannot express in words, but the society as a whole, we must take note of this trend. Whoever may be the culprit, whatever crime it is committed, we have to stand united. And we should inform the government so that necessary prevention could be taken in this type of